morning, everybody. This is the last day, or the last full day of the tour. We left Agra this morning at 8 a.m. and we have been on the bus all morning. It is now 1:45 in the afternoon and we've just turned up at something tomb. I will put it in here for you. I've just had a notification to say that my flight back to Siem Reap has been delayed by 4 hours. The reserves on energy are very low right now. The pollution levels, I will put them in just here somewhere as of first thing this morning. So I'm going to put this down and come back to you when we are at the tomb.
How are you doing, Sonia? Okay? Yeah, I thought so. You'd be quiet. Tired?
Not tired, I guess. Walking through the entrance, you immediately feel the difference from the busy Delhi streets. These beautiful Persian-style gardens, so peaceful and perfectly symmetrical. Red sandstone, white marble, this place is truly stunning. As we head inside, you can feel the temperature drops as soon as you go in. This is where the emperor is buried, right in the center. The light coming in through those screens creates the most beautiful patterns. You can feel the history. The emperor isn't alone. Over 150 members of the royal family are buried in this complex. There's really something special about standing where royalty was laid to rest over 450 years ago. Today's been a bit of a pickle really, so it's 4:15 in the afternoon and we've just finished lunch. And we've got one more stop to do before we head to the hotel for our final night. Although I have to say I didn't eat lunch, I just had a Diet Coke and a few slices of cucumber because we are heading out to the restaurant that we ate in the first night that we all met up, because some of us didn't go there. It's just a little local restaurant, so I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, we're headed off to the last stop. I think I said that already. Off we go to the last stop before headed back to the hotel. This is Qutub Minar. I'm really sorry about that pronunciation. Why is everything so hard to say? It is the tallest brick minaret in the world. It stands 73 meters high and was built in the early 1200s. And it's the final stop of our Golden Triangle tour. It's leaning slightly, just 65 centimeters off of center. You used to be able to climb to the top, but it's been closed since 1981. The steps here were down to the original location of the tomb, but it's now been moved up here. The complex around it has ruins from different periods, some over 1,000 years old. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Iron Pillar nearby is over 1,600 years old and has never rusted. It was built as a victory tower after defeating the last Hindu kingdom. The carvings on it are verses from the Quran and the detail is incredible. Arriving at sunset, the light on the stone is just perfect. This has been such a wonderful tour, it really has. Even though I'm feeling a bit ropey and a bit tired. But what a wonderful location to end this tour on. We're back at the Hotel Classic Diplomat in Delhi and the tour ends here. But actually my time in India doesn't just yet, as tomorrow I'm headed to Paraganj to see a different side of Delhi.